Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So, understanding the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials is essential for managing waste and protecting the environment. First, biodegradable materials are substances that break down naturally through the action of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and other organisms. Over time, these materials decompose into simpler substances like water, carbon dioxide, and organic matter, which can be safely absorbed into the environment. Common example includes organic waste such as food scrap, leaves, water, and paper product. Biodegradable materials Biodegradable materials is typically do not harm the environment when they break down and can contribute positively to a soil health by returning essential nutrients. In the other hand, non-biodegradable materials are a substance that do not decompose naturally or they decompose very slowly. These materials resist the natural process of decomposition, causing them to persist in environment for long periods, sometimes centuries. Non-biodegradable materials include plastic, glass, metals, synthetic fabrics. These materials often end up in landfills um, and disappear into a natural ecosystem, lending the environment pollution. Because they do not break down easily, non-biodegradable waste accumulates, causing significant harm to the environment, particularly in marine and wildlife habitat. One of the key benefits of biodegradable materials is that they help reduce the amount of waste in landfill. For example, food waste. When decomposed, they can decompose in natural, rich organic matter that can improve soil quality. Similarly to paper, cotton, fabric break down naturally and do not require additional resource for disposal. In fact, biodegradable materials contribute positively to ecosystem by returning natural nutrients to the earth. In contrast, non-biodegradable materials such as a bag, plastic bag and bottles take hundreds of years to break down, lending the massive accumulation for requiring disposal method like um, in landfill, both which can have harmful environmental consequences. Other important aspect of biodegradable materials is their ability to help the waste management and recycling. Biodegradable items like food scrap or yard waste and paper can be decomposted, creating organic matter that enhance soil health. This process reduces the needs of chemical fertilizer, which can be harmful to everyone or in the environment. On the other hand, non-biodegradable items like plastic bottles, styrofoam cannot be composted or natural breakdown. While some of this material can be recycled, they still require extensive processing and energy used to reuse and repurpose. Moreover, not all non-biodegradable material are recycled, which make proper disposal even more critical. The environmental impact of non-biodegradable materials is significant concern. Plastic water, for instance, has become one of the most harmful pollutants worldwide. Plastic bags and bottles often end up in the ocean where they are consumed by marine animals, leading to injury, illness, and death. Additionally, non-biodegradable waste like styrofoam break down to small pieces particles which can be indigest by wildlife to enter the food chain. This persistence in the environment also affect the beauty of landscape. Branches, um, beaches, and ocean, lending to a negative impact to a tourism biodiversity. Unlike biodegradable waste, which decomposes into harmless substances, non-biodegradable waste continues to pollute generation. In conclusion to our discussion, the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials highlight the importance of making substance sustainable choices in our daily lives. Biodegradable materials are naturally processed by microorganisms, benefiting the environment by returning valuable nutrition to the soil and reducing landfill waste. While on the other hand, non-biodegradable materials, however, persist in the environment, causing pollution and harm to wildlife. To reduce the environmental impact of non-biodegradable waste, individual can choose reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable alternative, reduce consumption in a single-use plastic, and participate in recycling program. By promoting responsible waste management and reducing non-biodegradable usage, we can also contribute to a cleaner and healthier planet. Thank you, and thank you for listening. I hope you understand.